Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and please continue to give me some comments. I love reading them and responding to them. Also, make sure you do all the YouTube-y things. Hit the like button. That does help my channel. And also, don't forget about my random act of kindness list that is listed in every video. So just go back, look in the description box. It'll tell you what to do. And I hope you enjoy the videos. Alright, so I am going to apologize in advance for my fur babies because they are in here and they are acting crazy today. So, this comes from Fansells. Now, this is going to be a little bit different of a review of the items that are in here than what I normally get. So, what I got... Alright, I'm just going to just pull one out and we'll get into it. So I'm going to bring you back down so you can see better. Alright, so on Fansells, I really like their website. And I want to say thank you to Fansells for sending this stuff to me, because I really, really, really appreciate it. So on their website, they have got all kinds of stuff, y'all. They've got all kinds of stuff. They have, as you know, they have diamond paintings. They have got cross stitch. They have got tools for both crafts. They have got, I think they have paint by numbers. But they've also got off the canvas items. And then they have garden stuff. And so I just took a little stroll down that. And there's a few things that I got that are not really diamond painting related, but still I think you all would like it. So here's the first thing that I got, and it is a crystal. Let me see. I hope y'all can see this. This is called a sun catcher window hanging wind chime. Okay, this was, no, yes, wait a minute, yes, okay, so this was $3.54, and I hope y'all can see this. It comes with the chain to hang it with. This is metal, y'all. This is not crap, I guess you could say. This is metal. And these are dangly pendants. Very, very pretty. Well made. I'm really impressed by sitting here looking at this. Very impressed by it. And for $3.54. And it's heavy. It's heavy, y'all. So beautiful. I think these are so freaking pretty. What do y'all think? Sorry, had to pause because I was getting ready to sneeze. But what do y'all think? Very, very pretty. And like I said, this is metal. Very heavy. And yes, I know it's not a diamond painting, but y'all. So, I got this, $3.54, and I'm going to just lay it right over here. So, I got that, and even though it's not diamond painting, it come from a diamond painting site. Now, this is diamond painting. So, this, and Fansells is just super budget friendly, I think. I really like them. I really, really do. And if I can get this bag open, I'll show you what's in here. Alright. Okay, so this comes with your regular toolkit. And then here's all your crystals and everything that's going to go on this. Okay, you got your chain, your jump rings, and everything that's going to go on this. But this is a dream catcher. And here's the crystals that go on it. There's just 3 colors. There's a clear, a blue, and a gold. And as you can see, it's just a dream catcher, and it's got the little, you know, feathers. It's double-sided, and it is got the little piece of plastic film that goes over the top. You peel it off, and you just put your drills on here. If I can get it. It's very sticky because I can't get this off of here. There we go. So you just peel that off. Very, very sticky. Now if I can get it back on. Okay. And then it comes with your three crystals, and then all of your things that goes on here. So this is just going to, there's a hole right there, and that stuff's just going to dangle off the end of it. And this is called a crystal wind chime ornament. And they range, because there's several of them, but they range from $1.83 to $2.78. And I'm not exactly real sure how much this was, because it just says it ranges. But I thought this was very cute. And it comes with everything you need to complete this. Alright, so the next thing that I got was in their garden section also. And this is a natural crystal pyramid healing stone chakra home decor crafts. Now, this was $4.73. But y'all, these are so pretty. And golly, they got so many to choose from that it's almost overwhelming. Because I went through them and went through them and went through them. And they all do something different, supposedly. But look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at all of the stones in there. All them colors. And this is made out of resin. And then you've got the one in there. Can y'all see that? And it's got the rainbow. Kind of looks like almost looks like a hurricane up in there. But isn't that so pretty? But yeah, this is supposed to be a healing stone. So I thought this would be really pretty to put on my desk here. But this was $4.73. And like I said, y'all, they have so many to choose from. And they also have different sizes. And they have a little light that you can buy separately that you just set this on top of and you turn it on and the light shines through it. So I didn't get that, but I thought this was pretty. Very pretty. All right, so the last thing that I got, let me move this out of the way. Y'all, if you know, you know. So when I seen these, I could not resist. Because like I said, I knew that they had this kind of stuff, but when I first looked on it, they were kind of pricey, because they do have some in there that are quite pricey. That's like yard ornaments and stuff. But I seen these, and I had to. I had to. So, you all know I love my gnomes. So, what are these? Y'all, little fire. And I hope that these are not offensive to anyone. And if it is, I am sorry. But then we have the little gnome who's peeing. He's got his little britches down. And he's peeing. We've got this one over here. They look like they've just had one too many. But these little mini garden figurines, it's a 4-pack. And it is a garden gnome dwarf statue resin ornaments. These were $5.99. And I could not help it. I love my gnomes. But aren't these so funny? So I'm going to put them, I have a shelf that I have built that I am starting a collection of gnomes. So I'm going to put these right there on my shelf. So this is what I got from Fansells. So what do y'all think? I know the only thing that was diamond painting was this. But I just wanted to kind of show y'all some of the different things that they carry. And y'all, this stuff is not that expensive. Really. Like I said, I gave $4.73 for the pyramid. The gnomes were $5.99. The dream catcher was $3.54. And this was $1.83 or $2.78. I'm not real sure on that one. So, what do y'all think? I love them, y'all. I just do. I really like this. And this is something I wouldn't mind maybe collecting also because they're really pretty. So, what do y'all think? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this haul. I'm very curious to see what y'all think about a budget-friendly diamond painting company carrying other things. I think it's pretty neat. So, all right, y'all. Like I said, I want to say thank you to Fansells for showing everything, or for sending me all this stuff to show to y'all. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will leave a link to everything in my description box so that you can check it out. And until my next video, y'all, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.